Good morning, students. In this video session, I am going to teach about the basic topic which is present in your C programming. Okay, that is how to get the input and how to write the output. Okay, so in common we say it is the input-output statements in C. Input-output statements in C program. So your input-output statements in your C program is categorized into two things. One is formatted input-output. Another one is unformatted input-output. Okay. So formatted input-output is nothing but two functions. So why we say it is a formatted input-output means it will support all the type of data. By using this formatted input-output, we can be able to get the input of integer number, characters, strings, floating point and all things. Okay, and same as input, if it is a formatted output means we can able to print all the data types like integer, characters, float, string, everything. But if you go for the unformatted input output means it will support only the character data type. All of you understood? So formatted input output statement is used to get all the types of inputs and you can able to print all the types of inputs. Okay, so in this formatted input output statement there is two functions which is called as input output. Input is scanf function, that is scan formatting, print formatting. F means formatting. Okay, so in this video session I am going to explain about this printf statement only. Before going that, I will give a brief about this. Scanf is used to get the input from the user through keyboard. In the programming we are not giving the, while writing the program itself we are not giving the input, while executing the program through the keyboard standard input we are going to give the input, that is you are getting the input from the user through scanfs. Similarly printf is used to print the program data to the output screen. Okay, then if you are see the unformatted means here it is only supported for characters. Okay, it won't support like integer, float, it will only support for the character data types. So here getChar means it will get only one character as input at a time. GetChar is used to get only one character as input at a time. Get S means getting string, it will get one string. Get CH means it will get the alpha numerical value as input. Get CHE also get the alpha numerical input. Here one difference is there, it is get CH, getting a character, here getting the character and echo. It will be displayed in the black screen, it won't displayed in the output screen. Whatever input you are giving using getCH should not be displayed in the output screen. Here it will display in the output screen. This is AE. E means echo. Okay. So I will give a brief, I will give the explanation in the another video session. Now we can see the printf. Okay. So similar to this here also, printing one character at a time, printing a string and printing the alphanumeric character. Okay. Now first of all, you have to know what is printf. What is the definition of printf? Printf is nothing but it's used to convert the program data. That is nothing but the data which is present in your program. In your program, you are giving lot of data, right? Whatever data is present in your program should be converted into text stream. It should be converted into text to the monitor for displaying the output. So from the program only we are getting the output, right? So from the program data is converted to text streams and displayed in the monitor for the output purpose. That is the printf statement. So if you see the syntax of this printf statement means control string and variable name. Okay. So two arguments is here. The first one is control string, second one is variable name. Okay, these are the two arguments present in the printf function. Okay, so for example, here for example I am writing on simple small program here, int A equal to 100, comma B equal to 10. Okay. Suppose I want to print the two values. Okay. Two things are there. Once you declare this variable, this part is called as declaration. You are telling to the compiler, I am going to use two variables. Both the variables are belongs to integer type. So in the memory, 2 bytes was allocated for this A. This is 2 bytes of memory was allocated for A. Inside this value will be stored. So if you want to print this value means you have to print like this. Print first, this is the control string. What is control string? Control string is nothing but the format specifier which denotes the data type. See, this type specifier is the control string. Percentage C denotes character. Percentage S means string. Percentage D means integer. Percentage F means float. Percentage LD means double. Okay. Along with this, you can use percentage I. Percentage I is also integer and percentage G is float. This is also you can use. Okay. So these are the standard control strings. It should not be changed. So control string is nothing but this type specifier. The main important thing is this type specifier. So now what is this A and B? Both are integer or any other type? It is the integer type. For denoting this integer type, which control string is the percentage D. So you have to put the control string. String means in double quotes. Comma, where the 100 is stored? It's stored in the variable A. So put A. So you will get the answer 100. Suppose if you want to display any string in the output screen means you can write like this. Print double quotes A equal to. So in the output it will display A equal to percentage D comma A. So now what's your output? Your output is A equal to 100. Suppose if you want to print both the numbers, here two numbers are there, right? So you can write like this. Print A equal to percentage D comma B is also an integer. So B equal to percentage D comma A comma B. Now what will happen means the A value is stored here. What's the value of A? 100. And the B value is stored here. So you will get the output A equal to 100 and B equal to 10. All of you got the clear sketch? So two parameters. The first one is control string. The second one is variable names. Now here your control string, we can add many optional parameters in your control string. See, we can add the flags, we can add the precisions, and we can add the width also. So in the control string, these three things are optional. If you would you like to add, it will be good for your MCQ questions. Sometimes they can ask this. So just listen here, this also, even though this is the optional, it is very important. Okay, the flag, width and precision. So first of all, I will explain the flag. So inside the flags, there are 4 values are there. First one is minus symbol. Minus symbol denotes the left justify. Okay, I will explain with the program. First I will explain what is this. The left, if you put the minus symbol in the printf statement, it denotes that left justify. What is left justify? It will start it from the left end. If you put the plus symbols, normally for minus symbols you are putting minus here. Okay. For plus symbol, are you putting plus here? No. Suppose in your output, if you want to display the plus symbol means, sign means you can use this plus symbol. The third one is hash symbol. It denotes that additional specifier. There are various types of numbers are there, right? Binary number, octal number, hexadecimal numbers. Okay, if you want to specify a octal number or hexadecimal number, you have to specify the hash symbol. Then 0. 0 means padding value. For example, if your values are stored in the right justify. What is right justify? From the right end, it will be stored means the empty spaces, it will be filled with 0. This is the padded values. Okay, so these are the flags. These are the 4 flags. It is optional. The second one is width. What is width? Width is nothing but the size of the output. The number of values in the output. Okay, width of the output. That is width. Precision means after the decimal point, how many values required. Width means, for example, 10 values are there. Okay, I want to display only the 5 values in the output, so the width is 5, like that. Okay, so width means the size of the output. Precision means after the pointed values, how many decimal values should be displayed in the output screen. So the important thing is type specifier. This is the important thing in the control string. It is must, it is not the optional. All of you got it? Now I will explain with the example. Okay, so you will get the clear idea. So first, what's the structure of C program? At first, you have to give the header files. Okay, here I am adding the header files as include stdio.h. So what is this stdio.h? Standard input output.h. Okay, standard input output. Inside this standard input output only, your printf and scanf is there. So these two are the predefined function which is present inside a header file stdio.h. Similarly, your unformatted, you get char, get ch, get yes, these all are the unformatted, right? It comes under the header file conio.h, that is console screen, console input output.h, console input output.h. So you are including this printf and scanf function in your program. You are linking. That's what we say, it is a preprocessor derivatives. The next one is void main. What is void main? Void main is the starting position of your program. All the C program must have one void main. Void main denotes the starting position. Then see here, curly brace, scope denotes the scope. Printf %d, 12. What is this 12? 12 is a integer number, right? It is a integer number. That's the reason you are denoting %d. So in the output, it will display only 1, 2. See here, %d. What is this W? W is nothing but width. W is nothing but width. So you are telling that the maximum width of the output is 5. So the output width should be 5. So what will happen in the output? 3 empty spaces will come. 3 empty spaces. Then this 1, 2 will come. So totally 5 width. Totally 5 width. 3 empty spaces and 2 values. Now, where these values are stored? The values are stored in the right justify. Why it is stored in right justify? 3 times your width is 5, so 3 empty spaces. Now, if you want to bring these values into left side means we can use left justify. What is left justify here? Minus symbol. So I am using a minus symbol here. Percentage minus 5d. What is this minus? Left justify. So what will happen? It will bring the 12 to the left side. Even though your width is 5, you are giving the left justify. It is a flag. Minus is the flag, then 5 is the width. Okay. In the next printf statement, percentage Percentage F is the control string for float. Then float value, your width size, output width size is 5 and precision value is 2. Total width is 5. In that, how many precision value? After the pointed values, 2 values. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The width is 5. Here only 4 values are there. 4.53. Only 4 is there. So one empty space. One empty space. Then 4.53. So your width is 5. After the point, this is precision. This is precision value. Okay. Next again. Percentage 0.5D. What is the 0? 0 denotes padding. 0 denotes padding. What is padding? The empty spaces, the white spaces will be filled with 0. Padding is nothing but the white spaces which is filled with 0. So here, what's the width here? 5. So 3 empty spaces and 2 values. These 3 empty spaces should be filled with this 0 padding. So this is padding. Next printf statement I am going to explain with a string. For denoting the string, the control string is percentage %s. Percentage denotes control string. Okay, percentage %s CSE. So it will display the CSE. Here percentage %s. What's the width? Width is 8. So how many? What's the width of your output? 8 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last 3 position CSE will be stored. If you left to justify this, okay. For example, if you want to left to justify, you can put minus. Okay. The next one is percentage 2s. Here, what is this 2? 2 means width. Keep it in your mind. If the width is less than your input, here only 2. Here it is 3 characters. If your width is less than the input means your printf will be overwrite it. If your printf will overwrite and take how many number of width your input is there. If it is 3 means your input will be take 3. Even though if it is a 2 width. Because your width and flag is the optional thing. Okay. So that the reason if you are giving the width the 2 is also, it is taking the 3 size width. So your width is not minimum, it's okay. Even though if you give the less size, it will take the higher size depend upon the input. Okay. The next one is percentage. Here string is there, but you are using 8.1. You are taking the total size, total width of the output is 8. 0.1 means only one character it will display from the input. So total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Only one character taken from the string. After the precision, what values are there, that much values will be taken from the input. Okay, so width means it will adjust and take. If you give the precision means it is the maximum value. Okay, apart from that it won't take. Here width means it's the minimum. Okay, it will take it. But if you give the precision, it will take only one depend upon the precision. The precision is 2 characters will be taken. Okay. Now minus. If you put the minus means what will happen? It will be left to justify. That's it. Okay. Then if I want to specify a hexadecimal or octal, then I can put the hash flag here. Hash denotes hexadecimal. Percentage hash x12. What is 12? For your hexadecimal numbers 0 to 9, then 10 denotes capital A, 11 denotes capital B, 12 denotes capital C, 13 denotes capital D, 14 denotes capital E, and 15 denotes capital F. So here what's the value? 12. So as you are printed, as you are using this flag, you will get the symbol OX, 0x. 0x means hexadecimal. What is this C? 12 means C. That's what C. If you are not using this hash symbol means you will get the output only C. If you want to print the octant means here just put X is the hexadecimal string. Percentage X is hexadecimal. Percentage O means octant. Okay. So if you want to print the octant means here 7, right? So you will get the output 0, 7. Okay. At last, plus symbol. What is plus symbol? It will print the sign. So you will get the output plus 12. I hope you understand this formatted output statement students. Thank you.